Alright, so everybody knows we have to dry our timber out really, really well before we vacuum it, take it out of the oven. It's sitting at about 100 degrees Celsius, and inside that block is well and truly 100 degrees Celsius. So I see lots of videos of people saying don't let it sit out or anything like that, just stick it straight in the vacuum chamber. My issue with that is it sucks up some cactus juice and almost immediately starts to activate that cactus juice. So it sort of partially goes off inside the block, stopping good uptake of cactus juice. So what you want to do, pull them out of the oven, stick them in your dry vacuum chamber. Close the lid, seal it all off, and vacuum it. Leave it dry, vacuumed for 2-3 hours till it's bone dry. Now it can't suck moisture out of the atmosphere then as it cools down, which it's going to if it's outside. After you two or 3 hours, open it up, whack your cactus juice in. You're laughing. Get it running. You won't get any of that cloudy oil that you get on your vacuum pump. And I think sometimes that's just for the moisture that's soaked up in the sort of hour or two or half an hour that you've let it cool down.